Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So if you've been following along, you know we got the trailer finished, we got the tent on it and everything. So we wanted to do a shakedown run, and just taking it safe. We came to a state campground. We got the last spot. Looking at the overhead map, it didn't look like they were quite as on top of each other as they are. We thought it was a little more wooded, but it's cool. We're out camping for the first time this season finally, so it is what it is, and we're gonna deal with it. But right now Lisa's getting dinner ready. Gonna start cooking here shortly on the discata. So let's see what she's making. What we have tonight, baby?
Fajitas.
Fajitas. Alright, so she's stirring up these fajitas. It's already smelling good. So when you don't like the look of the pico in the store, what do you do, baby?
You make your own.
Fresh pico at camp. She makes fresh pico at camp. It's okay if you want to be jealous. Had a little help getting my fire started. Make quick. Those things are awesome. I'm not sponsored, but we're just sitting here having fajitas for dinner. And she cut up a fresh jalapeno. And the jalapenos we normally buy from our grocery store are good. They're a little bit hot, not too bad. For some reason this one was really hot, which I like. She don't eat quite as hot of food as I do. And then she loves guacamole, so she bought a little thing of guacamole. How was that, babe?
It's really hot.
It says hot right on the package, but it's really small, so she didn't see it. So we're gonna finish up eating and just kind of hang out around this fire, enjoy our evening. And I'm gonna do more videoing tomorrow when we get out. Maybe find some trails, find another place to camp. I don't want to do a lot of videoing here. This campground's pretty busy, so we'll see you tomorrow. First night down in the new setup. Worked very well. A little bit of change, so some things to figure out, but overall, what do you think, babe?
It'll work.
Yeah, it's gonna work nice. We really liked it. So we're all packed up. We're gonna go do some exploring today and see what we can find and head to our next campsite. Here's one of our first stickers on for our friends at Q Quest. Check out their channel. We just had lunch at Pearl's New Orleans Kitchen in Elk Rapids, Michigan.
Williamsburg.
Williamsburg? Williamsburg, Michigan.
I think. I don't know. Or somewhere.
We're in the Elk Rapids, Williamsburg, Michigan area. We've been in New Orleans several times, so when we saw this online, we thought we'd give it a try. We had fried okra. We had fried green tomatoes. I had jambalaya. She had shrimp and grits.
It is Elk Rapids.
What was the cornbread we had? Jalapeno. Cheddar cornbread. Pretty good. I'm pretty stuffed. Wasn't quite New Orleans, but definitely worth eating here. It's really good. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I think we're gonna go look around. Maybe head up to Old Mission. Check out the old general store. We'll kind of show you that when we get up there. It's really cool. All right, we are up in the Grand Traverse Bay area, as I mentioned before. And Traverse City, Michigan, and the Grand Traverse Bay area are known as the cherry capital. So if you've had anything cherry, chances are it may have come from this area. At least the cherries to make it. Also, it's a big winery area. You can see the vines to the side over here behind us. A lot of wineries up here. We go wine tasting every now and again, but right now we're at Old Mission General Store. And this general store is, they told us when we were here once before, I know it's over 100 years old. We are at the next campground. I don't remember the name of it. Whitewater. I want to say Whitewater Township Park, something like that.
I think so.
We're just up on the deck overlooking, I believe this is Torch Lake. I'll check on that, not sure. We're gonna go check out this little trail they got here, and then I'll give you a shot of our campsite in a little bit. Alright, here's our trail system. Last time we looked at one of these, we ended up getting lost. Okay, so a couple things. One, this little trail system is very well marked. Every intersection we've come to so far has had one of these signs. And it was not Torch Lake, Elk Lake. But when we checked into the campground, he named off a few lakes, a chain of lakes that are all connected. So not Torch, Elk Lake. We thought we were just going to check out the deck right near our campsite. Didn't plan on going for a hike.
Got my flip-flops
So,
on.
yeah, prepared. Some of our earlier videos, if you guys have followed along for very long, we hiked a lot more. And I think without really realizing it, we kind of got away from it. And we're doing a lot more videos on the trail with the Jeep. Jeep trail videos instead of hiking videos. So, you know, getting a little older and me getting a little fatter again. You know what, need to exercise. So we decided to go for a walk. That's gonna be good. It's another one of those times, like we said before, you wish you had smell-o-vision because it smells awesome. We're gonna sit down and relax and eat dinner and maybe watch something on the Kindle.
Just throw 'em on there. Oops.
Alright, last day at camp. Gonna have some breakfast burritos, as you can see. Then we're gonna get packed up and head toward home, see what we find along the way, or maybe just jet home, we'll see.
Really?
Alright, so we found a trail, went down that. Kind of closed in on us pretty good. We were scraping some branches more than we liked, but we got through there and initiated the trailer. So now we're just enjoying our traditional mini blizzard on the way home. Dairy Queen is open, of course. So we're gonna eat these blizzards and then head on home. So we're gonna wrap this one up. Thanks for watching.